Hey, how's it going? I'm Ruth, registered dietitian. It's 2020. We are in the midst of a global pandemic from the coronavirus. The U.S. declared a national emergency. Who would have thought? Are you scared? I'm not gonna lie, I am. I have never experienced anything like this before. As bad as it seems, fear is no way to live. When it comes to taking care of yourself, stress can have negative effects on your health and also result in unwanted pounds from emotional eating. Experts say the best way to cope is to be in control. In other words, don't freak out. And I will share some helpful tips about coping and avoiding emotional eating in a minute. But first, since I am a nutrition and weight loss expert, I can offer advice for taking care of yourself regarding what you eat. We want a strong immune system. Our immune system fights bad things going on in our bodies. Bad things like infections from viruses and bacteria. To help fight the coronavirus, support your immune system. That means eat healthy foods. Keep in mind, there are no magic foods or cures. Will eating a box of cookies or a big plate of pasta or a big piece of chocolate cake help maintain a healthy immune system? Probably not. It may be soothing temporarily, but think about the nutrients. There are very few important nutrients in cookies and pasta and chocolate cake. Along with feeling sluggish, there may even be guilt or shame from consuming unhealthy comfort foods. It's not a win-win situation. An easy way to aid the immune system is to eat enough protein, fruits, and vegetables. These foods contain powerhouses of nutrients. FYI, it's basically eating healthfully. Protein, along with minerals like zinc and magnesium, support the immune system. Choose healthy, lean proteins every day. Eating a rainbow of colorful fruits and vegetables provide antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene, also phytonutrients that protect your cells from harm. Choose vitamins such as red bell peppers for its vitamin C and beta-carotene. Eating broccoli, avocados, and asparagus may help increase the levels of antioxidant glutathione. Don't forget to include anti-inflammatory foods like garlic, onions, ginger, and turmeric. Here's a tip to stay calm. Don't let the coronavirus control you. To be in control, avoid the fear of the unknown by staying informed. Get updates every day, but don't be over-informed. To hear the same scary news over and over again can increase anxiety. To calm the nerves, it will be reassuring to know that you are doing your part by eating important, nutritious foods. There's a strong likelihood that lots of people are overdoing the emotional eating. To at least control the amounts, never eat out of a carton or a bag. Pour or scoop what you want into a bowl. That controls the portions. Along with hand washing and social distancing, get enough sleep, get daily physical activity, and maintain a positive attitude. For the latest reliable information on specific details regarding COVID-19, go to the CDC's website, cdc.gov/COVID-19. We can and we will get through this scary situation. If you like this video, don't forget to like it and hit the subscribe button. Questions, comments, share your thoughts. I'd love to hear from you. Do you want to overcome emotional eating? Grab a copy of The Food is My Friend Diet. For quick and healthy recipes, don't forget to check out my ebook, The Food is My Friend Diet, Quick and Easy Cookbook. Try it, you'll like it. Take care and have a nutritious day. Until next time, stay safe.